All right, so if we want to sketch this angle in standard position, we start with the initial side on the x-axis at 0 degrees. And then we want to do the terminal side at 908 degrees. So if we go clockwise, one rotation around would be 360 degrees, plus another rotation around would be 720 degrees, plus another rotation around would be 1080. So that is too far. But while we're here, we're at 720. So we need to go how many more? Well, 908 minus 720 would be 188. So we need to go 188 further. Well, this is 90, this is 180, and this is 270. So we need to go past 90, past 180, about 8 degrees, which would put us somewhere in this area. That would be 908 degrees. All right, so now that we have sketched it, we want to see what other angle could lie on it on the same initial side. So I'm going to do this angle in green. It would have the same initial side, and it would have the same terminal side, which would be this one, and it would be positive and the smallest positive. So that means we want to go clockwise just until we hit this, and then we want to stop. We don't want to take any additional laps around. So this angle would be, well, here we were at 720. We need to go 90, 100, 188. Excuse me. So our smallest positive coterminal would be 188. Now I wanted to show you this visual so that you can kind of see what's happening here. But really the faster way that we could do that is subtract off the laps that we want to cut out. So first we want to cut out, and I'll do this one in a different color. First we want to cut out this first lap. That's not going to work. First we want to cut out this first lap, which was 360. And then a second lap, which is another 360. So if we do 908 minus 360, that's cutting out the first lap. That's 548. If we subtract another 360 from that, that gives us 188, which is our answer. If we tried to subtract another 360, we would go negative, which we can't do. So the shortcut to this problem is just subtract 360 until you can't subtract anymore because it would go negative. All right, now over here we have a reference angle of negative 75. So this would be 0, again, 90, 180, and 270, back to 360. We start here with our initial side along the x-axis, and we go backwards counterclockwise 75. This would be negative 90, so it's going to be almost all the way there, but not quite. This would be our angle of negative 75. Now, we can't have a negative. It says we have to have a positive. So we're going to have